Hi!
What's our favorite Korean street food? Our favorite Korean street food is hotteok! Because it is a simple and easy recipe.
Everybody can make hotteok because the ingredients are easy to make and it is a yummy and tasty treat. I'm from Hotteok Heaven! Now we are going to make hotteok dough. It is made with yeast, water, flour, sugar, and a little bit of salt. Now we are going to pour all the flour and sugar and salt into the bowl. Then you have to mix the flour and the salt and the sugar together with your hands like this. Now we are going to put the yeast water in. Now we are going to mix it again. So it becomes hotteok dough. Then place in room temperature for 1 hour. After an hour, then you're gonna knead the dough like this so you get all the air bubbles out. This is our cinnamon sugar, our chocolate chips, our Nutella, our almond butter and berry jam, and our cream cheese and berry jam. Now, shaping the hotteok with our unique new filling. There you have it. Listen to the warm sizzling of the Korean street food hotteok. Finished with hotteok and ready to bite. Enjoy our recipe for hotteok.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like,